For me, the experience in the European Parliament was enriching, since I had the possibility to talk and exchange ideas with people from all over Europe.
Full of interesting conversations.
3 words: educational, fun, and most of all, inspiring.
Experience in the European Parliament is the most magical. I met many inspiring people who share my passion for European Union and love to get involved in various activities.
We could exchange ideas about the future of Europe, the future of the European Union.
I also got to meet a lot of young people from all over Europe, and it was very interesting, and I got to meet Roberta Metsola and take a picture with her in the iVillage, so that was even more nice.
It was great to share ideas, share different values, and but all under the inclusivity and respect.
Expressing my concerns in such an important forum as the European Parliament, as well as being able to interact with young people from different countries, has left an indelible mark on my personal experience. It has been. I sincerely thank the event organizers for giving me the opportunity to participate.
It was eye-opening just to see how the Parliament works, what its duties are, what it concretely does, and it does a lot, especially for young people. There are so many opportunities.
And I've never felt more included in the European Union than I did during those days. And I'm still wearing my bracelet. I will never take it off.
Having the possibility of engaging in such interesting conversation with other MEPs and other young people engaged in our society inspired me to also wanting to be part of the future of the Union.
For the very first time, I've taken part in some great activities and I've met some great people while being there.
Amazing conversation I had with people from all over Europe, but also from all over the world. And the main ideas that came up from those discussions are the creation of a better Europe.
Vibrant, enriching and inspiring. I really enjoyed these days in Strasbourg because they gave us the rare opportunity to take a look into the behind the scenes of the European Parliament.
It gave young people the opportunity to see these policymakers, to know that they can make a difference in the future. And to me that is very important.
It was great to see that there are such contexts where young people can voice their ideas and opinions. And I am grateful to have had the opportunity to participate in this event.
It was challenging because I got out of my comfort zone and I met so many new people. We were approximately 8,500 people.
2 days celebrating young people and democracy. 2 days working on the future of Europe and having lots of fun.